Hi everyone, it's Adrian. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Now today I'm bringing you guys the update that so many of you have been waiting on. And this is none other than New Brunswick Village in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. So if you're interested in a construction update, please go ahead and stick around. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for sticking around for this video. And I just want to give a special shout out to all my loyal viewers. I see you guys in the comments week after week, and I just want to tell you how grateful I am. I also want to give a special shout out to this viewer right here. Now, I know you asked me for a smoke signal when I had an update on the New Brunswick development, so here it is. Now, the image on our screen is courtesy of the New Brunswick Development's Instagram page. You can check out their Instagram for additional updates on the handle right here. Okay, guys, so I got some additional information from the International Built Environment Consultants website. They indicated that the project is slated for completion February 2022. Now, I'm not sure if they'll meet this deadline, but I must tell you guys that they are indeed working assiduously. Now, as we know, it is a mixed-use development. It will comprise of 45 commercial units and 89 residential units. The commercial units comprise of a single-story drive-through restaurant, a three-story bank, a two-story pharmaceutical head office and distribution center, and 6 two-story blocks of rental stores, restaurants, offices, and warehouses. Now guys, as I indicated, the expected completion for this development is February 2022. Now we can see that the work is currently ongoing. We can see that a few buildings have been erected so far. Of those buildings, which is quite far ahead, is the building that I believe is the drive-through restaurant. Here we get a better view of the drive-through restaurant. Now remember that the drive-through restaurant on the map is at the front, and I'm going to indicate it right here on the map. So the drive-through restaurant should be right here, and the bank is right behind it. Now it's indicated that this should be a 3-story bank, and it should be a Sagicor bank. So you can look out for that in the months to come. So here we have another view of the construction, and we can also get an appreciation of the area that the development is in. So as I stated, it is on the Brunswick Street, and it is across from the AJ's supermarket and commercial center. So the AJ supermarket and commercial center is right here. Here it is in view, and also in this area is the brand new Jungle Fire Jerk Center, a drive-through jerk center that is also on this stretch. So as we know, the development is not only commercial, but it is also residential. And of the residential units, which comprise of a total of 89, 19 of those will be townhouses. So we can see here the development of the residential units. It is towards the back, so we're at the back. They have gone ahead and engineered a great area because I'm not sure how many persons are familiar with the area, but there was a sort of gully at the back of the development, and they have ensured that that will not be a problem for the future residents. So it will be 19 townhouse units and 2 apartment blocks. So 89 residential units, so 19 townhouses, and just about 70 apartment units that will be available for purchase in the new Brunswick Village development. Okay, so I'm so impressed at the engineering work that has gone into ensuring that the gully will not be an issue for these residents. And I'm really impressed with the pace that they are working. As we can clearly see, this should be one of the townhouse units at the back of the development. And I'm just in awe that we will have 45 new commercial units and 89 residential units up for grabs pretty soon. So, not only creating jobs but also creating homes. Really looking forward to this development. I'm really hoping that they can meet their deadline as usual. I will be bringing you guys updates once they are available because this is really one to look out for. As usual, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for watching the ads, and thank you for staying loyal to the channel. Until my next video, see you guys soon.